And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, the bad news about tomorrow night is we're going to have a lot of clouds around, so that will greatly limit visibility for this meteor shower coming up, which could be pretty significant, at least for a little while. Should peak around 11:50 tomorrow night, and the peak should be impressive for a good chunk of the central and eastern U.S., but poor visibility is expected in our area, right through the northeast and right through the plains where the clouds and the rain will be located. So that's the bad news. Good news is it is going to warm up. 59 tomorrow. The greatest amount of rainfall is going to be in the morning right up to near midday, and then after that it's just more kind of showery, kind of off and on. Can't even rule out a small rumble of thunder, but coverage will go down, but it's going to be a windy day, a strong wind from the south and the south-southwest. And after 48 at 9 o'clock in the morning, the highs will reach 55 to near 60 degrees by later tomorrow afternoon. Now on Friday, mostly cloudy initially, then becoming partly cloudy, still a little bit breezy, especially the early 2/3 of the day with a pretty strong north to northeast wind. 37 the low, but a high of 44 by afternoon, with highs generally 41 to 46 doing it viewing area wide for Friday. Here's 18 Precision Cast. The new model run is in. Cloudy skies tonight. A few showers arrive as early as 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, and then it's widespread rainfall. And I can't rule out a little isolated thunder morning right through the midday hours. Then after that, it's just a few showers around, and as the cold front comes through in the evening, a few showers, perhaps an isolated rumble of thunder will come through. Then it's pretty cloudy tomorrow night. On Friday, mostly cloudy early, then becoming partly cloudy during the afternoon. But then we cloud right back over on Friday night, and on Saturday morning, a few rain and snow showers will come up from the southwest. Now, this model has all snow, but I think it may be a mix of some rain and snow showers. If there would be any accumulation, at this point it looks very localized, very brief, because after temperatures around freezing in the morning, when most of this precipitation would occur, we'll have a high up around 38, 39 degrees. The wind tomorrow, here we go, this is tomorrow morning, gusts 30 to 40 miles an hour at times, and then getting into the afternoon, there will be a period where some of these gusts in some places may be up around 50 miles an hour, so a pretty howling wind, and a pretty howling wind right even into the evening. This is 5 o'clock in the evening. Still pretty windy into tomorrow night. Pretty breezy Friday morning before the winds gradually taper during the afternoon, with anywhere from 1/3 to I think 6/10 of an inch will be common rainfall for much of the area. And then next week, a powerhouse storm comes in with rain, wind, and thunder. That would tend to be Tuesday and Tuesday night. Thanksgiving right now actually looks okay. Highs 40s to near 50 with increasing clouds and a light southeast wind. 48 Sunday after a 39 Saturday, but we're back to 59 on Tuesday with more rain, wind, and thunder, and 45 on Wednesday. And like I said, Thanksgiving doesn't look too bad right now.
Ballant was working for you yesterday, and I said the same thing to him, that the 7-day forecast is always looking a little odd come this time November.